Are you ready to unlock the secret to strong, sculpted glutes? Science has the answers. In today's video, we'll explore 3 science-based steps to help you build powerful glutes that support your fitness goals and enhance your performance. Let's get started. Step 1 is all about glute activation. Before jumping into heavy lifts, it's essential to wake up your glutes. Research shows that activation exercises like glute bridges, clamshells, and lateral band walks can help you engage these muscles effectively, leading to better results. Spend 5 to 10 minutes on these moves as part of your warm-up. Step 2. Compound lifts are your best friend. Exercises like squats, deadlifts, and hip thrusts are proven to maximize glute engagement. The key is progressive overload, gradually increasing weight or resistance over time to continuously challenge your muscles. Step 3. Prioritize recovery and nutrition. Finally, recovery and nutrition play a vital role in building strong glutes. Incorporate stretching, foam rolling, and adequate rest to repair and grow your muscles. Pair this with a protein-rich diet to fuel your body and optimize muscle synthesis. Strong glutes are more than just aesthetics. They improve your posture, athletic performance, and overall health. Which of these steps are you adding to your routine? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more science-backed fitness tips. See you in the next video.